Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we will be doing a top-down analysis of another pair, and today it's going to be NZDUSD. Okay, this is a pair that is also traded by a lot of people. There's a lot of volume in this pair. It is very interesting how it moves. But it's very similar to AUD/USD. Okay, so you can literally look at this chart and then look at the other chart of AUD/USD, and you will see that it's very similar. So starting off the monthly, you can see that we've been coming from this sell zone basically quite a while ago, and you can see on AU this is also the case. So yeah, you can see that we've had a very strong reaction from this point, and the price basically came back, was there consolidating for a while, then basically made a liquidity spike very deep into this zone, and then basically started reacting to it, came back one more time, and then started reacting to it strongly. Now, on this pair, basically what I'm seeing of this month is that we're seeing very bearish movement. So we're already breaking this low and the previous low. So, I would officially go bearish on this pair. But you have to take in consideration as well that we are getting close to a monthly buy zone. Okay, you can draw it this way or you can draw it that way. That really depends on you. But like I said, we are getting very close to it. Okay, so there are lots of sell opportunities right now that we can take up until the next monthly buy zone. So this should be easy trading basically on this pair for the next couple of weeks. Just selling our way into the monthly buy zone. Okay, so we still have a lot of amount of pips. We have about 200 pips that we can take take advantage of in this pair. As you can see right here on the weekly, we have been reacting to this monthly zone multiple times. You can see how this basically goes. You can see a reaction, another strong reaction, another strong reaction. We're seeing very nice moves already. So we're definitely on our way to this area. You can see there's a lot of volume in this area, definitely. So this is also the monthly buy zone. So this is about almost 200 pips away. So this would be our target for any sells that we are looking to take right now. Just so you guys know, you guys probably know this already, but we don't trade anything else apart from GPJPY. We just do top-down analysis as we get some requests from people to analyze the pair that they are trading. So you can see this moves very beautifully, this pair. This is on the daily. You can see lots of up and down moves, which is just very nice to see. This liquidity spikes over here to the downside and went up. Same thing over here. A lot of liquidity above all these highs, just went up and then started going down. So it's a very interesting pair, to be honest. It's looking very interesting. Lots of pips, a lot of aggressive moves. So this is what I like to see. And obviously, what is always most interesting are these edges. Okay, these are the important levels that we are always looking for. So you can see that a lot of times, a lot of stacking, a lot of volume is happening, and then a move is happening. So moving on to daily, you have some couple of sell zones. Obviously, you have a whole this area right here. It's a bit messy. You have this whole area right here basically as a sell zone. So you could be looking at this right here, or you can trade this whole area as well, as there's a lot of volume, especially in the bottom part, which is not usually what happens. But you can trade this whole area if you want to, and just look at some algorithmic levels within this area. So yeah, this is a very interesting level on the daily. Let me just leave this level as well on the 4 hour. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna move to the 4 hour. You can see how this is just very bearish already, and it's just always going down more and more, and basically there aren't any up candles, basically bullish candles. So you can see how even today, it's a Monday, it's going very aggressively. So on the 4 hour, you have lots of zones right now. We have this one over here. We have another one over here, okay, right there. And we have some more zones over here. This is a bit quite tricky to draw, but you can say, okay, I'm gonna just draw from this high to just take the whole volume range, basically. So yeah, this is looking very promising, this pair, to be honest. This is just very bearish, and we have more sell levels. Actually, on the 4 hour, we have this beautiful level over here. So yeah, it is really crazy, to be honest. And obviously this is the daily level, so we have this range over here, we have this area over here, then we have this one over here. So these are all sell levels that can be traded, if price manages to come back, basically, because as you can see, a lot of selling activity been going on for the past couple weeks and months, basically, already. So moving on back to the daily, you can see the real daily level is this one, but obviously there are some 4 hour zones within this that can definitely play out, and this is looking very promising, to be honest. What I can do as well is just leave the monthly zone also on the 4 hour. This is what we can do as well on the daily and the weekly, just on all time frames, just for educational purposes. So you can see on the weekly, this is the monthly zone. So we're getting very close to it. On the daily, you can see as well, we are reaching it very soon, most likely, and we'll probably keep on seeing these patterns. Some slow up movements, but then some stronger down movements on this pair. Okay, so it's looking very, very interesting to sell right now on this pair until we are in this level over here. Then obviously you should be very careful and see how price reacts in this zone, because here we can maybe see some sort of reaction, and then maybe see some more up movement before maybe going further down, or basically retracing to maybe the sell zone up here. So my advice for this pair right now is just keep on selling and selling and selling until you get to the monthly zone right here, and then basically look for some buys. This is all I can tell you. Okay, guys. So yeah, like I said, it's looking very interesting. This is the easiest way of trading right now, when we already established a trend basically on a pair. So yeah, guys, it is looking very, very interesting here. If you're trading this, enjoy the next couple of weeks. And always manage your risk, and yeah, just keep on selling until you're in that monthly buy zone. Okay, so guys, hope you like this video. If you did, we'd always appreciate the like. If you have any comments, questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. If you want us to analyze maybe your pairs that we haven't done yet, let us know in the comment down below, or send us a DM on Instagram. And if you're looking for more in-depth training, just check out the link in our description, where you can take a look at our website and see more on that as well. So guys, thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.